Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to present to you today with my next design team project that I will be working on. I have the Clear Scraps DIY wood box. As you can see, it is a Memory-Dex card holder. I am super excited to make this project with you today. I also have 3 of the Clear Scraps dividers, I believe is what they are called. And they are the chipboard scallop. There you are right there. Here are some great examples on the back. I love that Clear Scraps gives you some inspirational examples. And at any time you can head over to clearscraps.com and go to the blog and see what all of the designers are working on. I'm proud to be a guest designer this month again, and let's get started with this project. Okay, today I am going to be working with I Love Crafting by Echo Park. Shame on me, Echo Park. I thought it was fitting. And it's fun, some summer colors. Okay. And also flowers and stuff. This could be a really great Mother's Day gift, birthday gift for a crafty friend. Maybe somebody's graduating from doing some kind of designer college, or that it could be a fun collection for that as well. So this particular project can be for many different gifting purposes. Definitely Mother's Day, birthday, graduations coming up. So I thought it would just be fun to work with this particular Echo Park paper collection. Okay, so it's all about Clear Scraps and their awesome products, and I'm going to be using glue and the paper, and okay, so today it'll be a very long video, so I am opting in this video to go ahead and I will cover these up with the paper, and then I will explain to you what I did and show you the products I used. How's that? Okay, super excited. Maybe I will show you some steps while I'm gluing, but this is a standard box, and it goes together very simply. It's all of the work is done for you. You just need to glue it together. Okay, so here's all of the pieces. Of course, you have this to kind of help guide you. Here's your guides for in place, because this is what the Memory-Dex cards hold the Memory-Dex cards on. So one on each side, inside. Okay, and these fit in, and we will glue them in. And so we have those. Let's set those aside. Okay, so here we have the base, and we have the sides. Okay, and we will be gluing those on, and then we have a front and back. And let's see, that, yeah, I think they will fit that way, definitely. Okay, so I'm going to glue this together, and then I will kind of, I think, take a picture, and I'll do the best I can to keep this as short as possible, because there are a lot of steps and it will be a very long video. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what I did was I glued on the tabs, okay, and I put them on. It's like a puzzle, right? And so this one, you will glue the tabs and then the tabs on these sides. Okay? Okay, and then I suggest holding them for just a minute. Make sure that everything's on good and straight. Okay. And it's going to straighten itself out really well. And then I'm going to come over and put on glue on the other side. Okay, and there we go. You can come in and glue some more if you want, but if you're working with Barely Arts glue or reptile glue, you know, something that is a really good wood glue, then you can't go wrong. You really do want a good wood glue or a really good craft glue for this. It'll make it extremely sturdy and it'll last a very long time. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry and figure out if I want to paint it or do more of a decoupage or do both. I'm kind of leaning towards leaving it natural, you know, like a treasure box, right? You know, I think I will, and then just accent it. So, okay, I'm gonna figure it out, and then I will let you in on my secrets. See you in a bit. Okay, so quick note, I've decided that before this completely set, I took it off when I tried to put the doilies in. It didn't work good. So we're going to put the sticks, the doilies in, or right, doilies, put these in first on one side and then glue on the other side. Okay? Okay, I've decided I'm going to put glue in the holes as well and get this all prepped up. Glue, glue, so glue everywhere, okay? All right. Okay. And then get those ready as well. Here, there we go. All right. Okay, fiddled with it and got it. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You can line it up and put the pieces with the holes first, and don't glue one side. Okay, so glue 3 sides, place the guides for your doilies or doils. And then put them in on one side first, and then they will guide right in with the last piece. Just fiddle with it, hang in there, it will go in, okay? All right, and then hold it because you want all of the gaps taken care of. There we go. All right, I'm going to let this dry and come back and we can do some decorating. Or I think what I'll do is while this is drying, I will start working on the Memory-Dex cards. How's that? Okay, so now we have our 3 scalloped index dividers, our Memory-Dex cards. I will have all of the links down below in my description box. I'm going to go ahead and apply wet glue and glue these on each side with some of my decorative paper, and I will meet you back here. Okay, real quick, here is a overview. I'm having technical difficulties, so I'm gonna do a voiceover. All right, here's the Memory-Dex cards, some things that I did to them. I used solar paste. Here's the products I used. Love how it came out, a stencil from my stash. so cute. Here is the box and how I kind of use stencils and some of the paints and put some feet on. Again, here we go. Just showing you an overview of how everything looks embellished.